All right, so do you want to learn this brand new method that I just made $900 from in less than 48 hours after launching it? So that's what I'm going to be going over. I'm going to almost overly simplify it for you today. And then if you're interested in more information, then just tune in, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll be going in and breaking down more steps and giving you more tips on how you can make a system like this work for you as well. But I'm not one to normally buy products like this or join these programs that are done for you systems or anything like that. It's just not my thing. You guys have known me. If you've been following me, I've made over $400,000 on my own with affiliate marketing the last few years, but this system is different and I want to show you. So we come in here and I just got this and I'm going to actually come in here. I'm going to block out, I'll blur out the rest of my emails right here, but I'm going to go up here and refresh this. So you're going to see right over here, we are on Friday, May 31st. So you're going to see this video the same day that I'm recording it. I don't spend a lot of time with video editing or anything like that, but you're going to see that it's May 31st, 8:18 a.m. when I'm recording this video. And I just pushed refresh. I'll push that one more time for you. And I'm in one of my email accounts right over here. And we'll scroll down here to yesterday, right? So this is a Stripe notification payment for $900. Right here, we can open that up and you can see right over here, $900 right there into my Stripe account. So how did I make this happen? And this is literally, I didn't even make, this is the very first video that I'm making where I'm introducing this to you and talking about it. So I was able to make a sale before even doing that, which is super, super cool. So how did we actually do that? And you can actually see right here, this screenshot, I'm actually going to show you if I zoom down right over here, this right here is actually that same screenshot right over here, okay? So we're gonna talk about this right now. You'll want to make sure to stick with me through the whole video so you can actually learn this simplified process on how you can actually go out there and start making $900 per day. It's a proven system. And the reason why that I gravitated to this and actually it resonated with me was that there's already over 20,000 people in the group that are actually making money from this, right? And there's a lot of other programs out there. Like I said, I don't join programs like this, and I definitely take these programs with a grain of salt, right? Like I've done my own thing. I've made over $70,000 selling my own courses. I've made a bunch of money as an affiliate, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, AppSumo, all kinds of places that I've made money. But this one is something that's going to give you, allow you the opportunity to get a product, right? So if we go into step one, I'm going to go ahead and just immediately show you. Step one is you're going to get the product or the offer, right? And this is actually what holds most people up right here is because they don't have a product that they can go out there and actually start promoting or sell. And so it can be very intimidating, right? When you don't have a product to sell, it becomes intimidating because it's okay. So I'm supposed to buy this product, but then I need to put it together, or I want to make money online, but I don't have the experience building a digital product. And I really just don't know how to get started because I don't know how I'm going to actually offer something and sell something to someone, right? And so this system that I've plugged into, it actually takes care of this point right over here, the product or the offer, right? So this becomes something that is difficult for most people because you get started, you're like, okay, cool, I'm going to create a YouTube channel, but then what am I going to sell? I've never made any money as an affiliate, so no one's going to approve me as an affiliate. I don't know how to build a course. I've never built one before. What platform do I use? How do I record the videos? What microphone do I use? There is a lot of kind of hurdles to overcome or just things that you have to learn in this business. But what this product does is that it takes people that have never made money online or never done anything online, and it actually gives them a plug and play system to get started, which is super, super cool. Okay. Now, if you have a product that you can invest in, and then you can actually sell it for 100% profit, right? So you actually get to sell this for percent profit on this. And that is just simply unheard of in the industry. Usually as an affiliate, one of my main affiliates where I make thousands of dollars a month, I only make 10 to 15% commission on those. Can you imagine when you're making $400, $500 sales, product sales, and you're only getting paid like $50, $60, something like that? Or if you make a $50 sale, you're only making $5 or $6, right? It is hard to scale and get to a certain point when you are not getting paid 100% commission. So this allows you to gain a 100% commission, which is really awesome, right? So one of the things that attracted me to the product that I'm now going to be promoting and that I already made a sale within 48 hours on right here, one of the things that made me excited was that there's already 20,000 members in the group, and every member that becomes a member, that signifies or represents a sale. And most of the sales come in at $900. Now, there are 4 products. There's a $100 product, a $300 product, a $600 product, and a $900 product. But most of the sales are $900. And you can see that in the proof when we actually go and log in. I can actually go and show you real quick. If I go into school and then I show you the community over here, and then we go over here to, these quick wins. I mean, look at this, 12 hours ago, $5,400 in 2 days, rock and roll. These are people that are just getting started. The proof is in the pudding right over here, people making money. Then $300 right there, $73,000 for May. So someone just completely ridiculously went out there and made money this last month, right? So there's no shortage of proof over here, and I'll show you more of that, but most of the time it's $900 right here. I placed mine over here as well, like right over here, $2,800 day, and this is just 11 hours ago, so that's yesterday. And I've actually went over here, and you definitely subscribe because I'll be going over, I'll actually go in and find these people's marketing tactics and the way that they're doing it. And I think you'll be surprised is that there's nothing special about what these people are doing in order to make this money. And just look, it just keeps going. Now mine's over here somewhere. Let me go see if I can find mine real quick. I think I can just click on myself. Yeah, right over here. So here's mine. I just made this post 20 hours ago, right? Not even a day ago. Just joined 48 hours. First sale, $900 right there. Boom. And look at all these people congratulating you and so forth. So it's a great community, and it's growing by hundreds per day. Really good stuff, right? I look for those things when you're looking for a program as well as look for the red flags and so forth. But I've never seen so much social proof on a program like this, right? You're always looking at the sales page on this stuff and you're like, how do I know that this is real? Can I really make money from this? Over 20,300 members have made sales from this already, and there's been millions. And so what I do is I also go over here and I break this down, right? So if we get a calculator out and we say 20,300 people have made sales, and most of the sales are 900, but let's just take that down and take an average. Let's just say the average is $700 a sale. So we take that and we multiply it by 700 and we push equals right there. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So $14.2 million in about a year has been paid out to affiliates. There's not a lot of programs over the last 10 years or 15 years in the digital marketing space, a multi-level marketing space, that make that kind of money for the people that come in promoting their products. I have not seen this before. And a lot of the other things, when we come back into even like the Empower Network days from 2013, like 10 years ago, things like that. One thing that just gives a big green flag on this is that, first of all, you don't have to pay money for this school community when you log into the school community. You don't have to pay for that monthly. You get access to this for free. It has all the training that you would need, right? You go into the classroom, come over here, go into the classroom. It's loaded with stuff like full TikTok trainings right over here, 6 figures in 6 months training. You get all the replays, the webinar calls. So they teach you how to do marketing online from scratch, from a brand new person that doesn't know anything about it, and how to start making money very quickly. You get access to this. This right here would be worth the price of admission, but you get access to the school community for free when you sign up to this program, okay? So that's a green flag or green mark for me as well. And then the biggest thing, we come back to this, is the 100% commissions. So when you look at that calculator that I just pulled out, and it's over $14 million that has been paid out with my calculations, and that's being pretty generous. Most of the sales are $900. These are $14 million that are being paid into the members' pockets, right? You come over here. This is what's being paid into these 20,000 people. It's going into their pockets. It's why Jenna Stone made $70-something thousand last month, and she's on the top of the leaderboard. And this isn't based on money. This is actually based on engagement, right? You can come in here and engage and meet people and so forth. And this is just based on people that are helpful in the community, giving out advice and just really helping. And the people that are the top performers, they're engaged in the community as well. This guy right over here, Daryl Hannah, he made $33,000 this month. So really cool stuff. So those are the kind of things that you look for. And with all these other programs that have been out there in the past, you're lucky if you get a 50% commission. You sell a $1,000 product, you only make $500. In this case, it's going to take the same amount of marketing, but you're actually going to be making a $900 commission when you make a sale. So that's another green light or green flag on this one, right? This is not MLM. This is not multi-level marketing because there's no downline or upline. You get a product and you sell it, and then you make 100% of the commission right in your pocket. No one else gets paid. Super simple. So that's the number one thing is what you've got to get a product, right? You get a product and you need to be able to sell a high value product that has been proven to sell. And this worked for me in 48 hours. I made my first commission. And so I already made my money back on the program. Boom. I paid $900 for my program. I made a $900 sale within 2 days. It's paid for. Done. And so it's not even a very big investment when you consider what you're actually getting, okay? So then the next thing that I want to go over right here is step number 2. So step number 2 is your audience and your customers, right? You're going to need everybody that is trying to make money online needs an audience, right? We already know that. And most people give up and they lose confidence before even starting because they don't have an audience and they think it's impossible to build one, right? So this is what stops most people. These 2 things that I wanted to talk to you about is that not having a product stops people from getting started building their online business, and then not having the confidence to actually go out there and market and build an audience from scratch, right? From 0 followers. Can you get on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, et cetera, Facebook, and build an audience from day one with no followers? And that's one of the biggest hurdles as well. This system allows you to build your audience for free. And like I said, I know how to build an audience. I've already made over $400,000 with a free audience. I know this stuff works because I've made all my money and I was able to leave my 9-to-5 and fire my boss 4 years ago to work full-time online, make my own schedule, write my own schedule, and have that empowerment and freedom in my life. And I've been doing this with small commissions. So this is how I'm going to be able to up my game by selling a higher ticket item and having to make way less sales in order and make more money. It's just crazy, right? And I've built so many different YouTube channels and I have proven frameworks to also be able to go out there and start marketing. Using YouTube is my favorite platform, but they teach heavily TikTok in the program as well. And that's going to be the easiest way to get started. There's shorter videos to create. It's easier to get views and traction on TikTok these days and so forth. And so the last thing I would mention about this is that the system is designed to get results in just 2 hours per day. So they're really big on being very minded and focused on your 2 hours that you're going to work per day, the marketing that you're going to do, the following up that you're going to be doing on just people that are emailing you or commenting on your videos or something like that. There's no calling. You don't have to be on the call to try to close sales. People either sign up for it if they want it or they don't. And this is something that is really cool because that's another stigma and thing that the reputation that multi-level marketing has gotten is that you're always on the phone trying to convince people to buy and so forth. And this system is designed to be completely 100% automated. You do your marketing, and it usually is videos or placing ads online, and then you just step away and you live your life out, right? And you go out and you have lunch and you go to your kids' school events and you do those things. And then as you get more marketing videos out there, you're going to start getting traction. You're going to start capturing interest. You're going to make some sales while you're doing other things in your life. So really cool stuff. There is a link below. You can go check it out. You can see what all this is all about. But this system allowed me to make $900 in 48 hours from one sale, 100% commission. And literally it solves the not having a product. And it solves and teaches you how to build an audience very quickly with the system. So super, super cool stuff. Wanted to introduce this. I'm going to be talking more about this because this is game changing, right? If 20,000 people, right? Let me come back over here. If 20,300 members within the last year have made sales with this, and there's multiple people making over $5,000 a month, we're talking about hundreds of these people, then do you think that you could do this too? Are you looking for a product that is high value, that is high ticket, that gives you 100% commissions, that you're looking for a product that you can actually go out there and promote? And then are you looking for the proper training that has been proven to be able to teach you how to go out there and actually find your right customer and attract an audience and start making sales? So that's what this whole thing has to do with. Really cool stuff. I'm excited about this and this new journey. So there is a link below if you wanted to go and at least just check it out and see what it's all about. Appreciate you. Make sure to subscribe because I'll be teaching you more about this high ticket marketing and so forth. See you next time.